So you're getting comfortable with the idea of online businesses, but you keep hitting weird terms and expressions. But I don't want you to worry, cause in this video, I'll be explaining terms like niches, sub-niches, and cross-niches. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Dave. I've been generating full-time income through my online businesses since 2013. And I've just started recording and publishing new videos on this channel with a target of listing everything about my journey, but in the form of mini tutorials. So by the end of 2021, this channel should be a reference for all the different aspects of working online. So without further ado, let's start. First thing on the list is the niches. The niche is the targeted category that your store or service focuses on. And the best way to define a niche in a practical situation is this example. Assume we have two sellers. Seller 1, which sells all of the accessories of dogs and little puppies in his store. And his customers definitely knows that he's the man when it comes to any needed accessory for their dogs. But on the other hand, we have Seller 2. He sells whatever looks interesting to him. When you enter his store, you'll find a shelf for canned food, and on the other shelf you'll find gaming keyboards and some financial books on the side stand. Now, which one of those sellers is a niche-based store and which one isn't? The answer is simple. Seller 1 is the perfect example for a niche store. The other guy is way too far of being a niche-based store. He's just another standard general store. Now you may ask which one of them is better than the other. Who is more successful when it comes to sales? The answer for this question lies in another question, which is, what are you launching? If you're going for a business model, like print on demand or regular accessories or some sort of dropshipping, then definitely the answer will be niche-based business. But if you're gonna launch a service or store that goes along with more than 3 different segmentations, then you should go for a general-based business. Now moving on to the term of sub-niche. Sub-niche is a deeper model of a regular niche. For example, Seller 1, who was selling dogs accessories, if he suddenly decided that he'll limit his store activity to selling bulldogs accessories only, then we'll consider his business is a sub-niche-based business. And that's because he went deeper into dogs niche and specialized in a specific sector in his niche. That is simply what sub-niches mean. And it can go deeper as much as you want. For example, you can make a print-on-demand store about vegans, then sub-niche it with products and apparels made for vegans who plant their own food. Now it's a deep targeted sub-niche, rooted from the main niche of veganism. I guess you got it perfectly by now. By the way, if you want to know more about print-on-demand businesses and how much you can earn off of them, then I would suggest to have a look on my Redbubble and Merch by Amazon videos. I covered most of the red lines in this subjects there. Another important note that I would like to add before moving forward: you can always add more than one sub-niche to your business. In our model of the vegan store, we can still add few other sub-niches for some of our products and it will still work out great. So feel free to get creative. Now moving on to the last and most crucial term, which is the cross-niches. A cross-niche is basically when you try to combine 2 or more main niches together. For example, if we return back to the store that was mainly for vegans and we mixed it with the niche of single moms, as a result, we will have a store that is dedicated for vegan single mothers. And that is what cross-niche basically is. And please guys, keep in mind that cross-niche and sub-niche may seem similar, but in fact, they are not. Remember that whenever the secondary niche is a different one than your main niche, then it's a cross-niche. And mark it as follows. If your secondary niche can be a main niche by itself, then it's a cross-niche-based model. Like in the past example, we can easily erase the vegan niche and just dedicate the store for single mothers, and it will still work like a charm. But on the other hand, we can never dedicate a store for vegans who plant their own food without including the vegan niche in the equation. And that's why it is a pure sub-niche-based business. Guys, feel free to let me know if you want some more examples regarding this matter. If it's needed, I'll make sure to record a video dedicated for examples from some real-life business cases for you. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Hope it benefits you on the long run. If you got a minute, subscribing will really help me pushing new videos. Thanks for watching everyone. Cheers.